Today we talk about how can you get verified on your Badoo app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on account preferences, click on it, then come to this list here, click here on verification, click on it, then come to this list, click here on get verified, click on it, then come to next step here, then here to get verified. So all you have to do, just all this information here for add all your photos here. So for this list here of your photos, so then here add your name and your so work and education, so you fill all this list here. So then here connect with your Instagram, then verify by photo and add phone number, then it's going to verify with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.